Today we are about to get personal.
Literally butt floss.
Okay, ignore the underwear thing that's happening down here. We have $150 to spend on each other.
You guys, it makes your boobs look amazing.
This is cute, you guys. At Aerie. All right, these kind of do look like granny panties, let's be real. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Clevver Style.
If you're new here, things are about to get very, very, very personal.
Personal.
We're talking about undies. I freaking hate that word.
Underpants.
I think I hate that word just as much as I hate the P word. Panties.
Ew, no!
If you guys can remember, Lauren and Drew picked out some unmentionables from Savage by Fenty for each other.
Oh my God, there's pasties.
And honestly, it didn't go terribly.
This is phenomenal.
So today, Jackie and I will be doing the exact same thing, but this time we have $150 to spend on each other at Aerie.
Let's be honest, Sinead kills these types of videos. I feel really good about her picking stuff out for me. Surprisingly, you guys know I normally really stress out when it comes to buying girls clothes, but with this one, I feel strangely confident.
We have tried biker shorts and leggings from Aerie, and honestly, they really are magnificent. So I can only imagine that their underwear is going to be like wearing a cloud. Honestly, I'm super excited.
Let's go shopping. Alrighty, so I'm on this site and right off the bat, I love the type of undergarments that they have. First of all, it seems extremely comfortable and kind of right up my alley. It's a little bit more conservative. It's not like sexy undergarments, it's more day-to-day wear.
All right, so when it comes to Jackie, I feel like our styles are pretty much similar, but I don't think underwear has to do with style necessarily. It's like a very personal preference. I gravitate towards color when it comes to my underwear, which is crazy, I know, but I have a lot of like printed underwear. I'm wearing pink striped underwear right now. See what I'm saying? You can't judge a book by its cover.
Bralettes are probably one of the most comfortable type of undergarments that you can get for someone. But before I go there, I'm gonna go straight to their sports bras because honestly, like if I did a whole undergarments episode and didn't get Sinead a sports bra, do I know my girl? No.
Another thing is Jackie is very blessed in the boob department, whereas I am not. So I usually wear no bra or a sports bra because I stopped caring about the fact that I have no boobs. But I do love a good push-up bra. I think it's always important to have a good push-up bra because sometimes you just want to pretend like you have big boobs, you know? You feel me?
They're like a memory mattress.
Okay, they have a really great selection. Ooh, I love this one. This one really screams Sinead, and they have different colors. Oh, I like that a lot. I love this little lace detail. Sinead really likes athleisure type of stuff, so I think this is honestly perfect for her. I love this. How much is it? Okay, it's a little pricey, $34.95, but you know, we have $150 to spend, so I'm gonna add it to the bag.
So right away, a lot of their lightly lined bras kind of speak to me because I feel like it's really important to have one like super comfortable everyday bra. And honestly, like the prices aren't bad. What
I love too is that they have this special where you can bundle up underwear. So I can get her like a bunch of underwear essentially at the price of $4 each.
And then I also like wanted to look at something a little bit sexier, you know? I think it's good to have like a couple of really nice lingerie pieces. Ooh, oh yes. Okay, so they have like all over lace bodysuits. These look really nice and comfy.
Oh my gosh, this bralette is perfect for her. It's on sale, it's only $23. Man, these are really a steal, getting it for her.
Okay, I honestly feel like I got a lot of cute stuff. I just really want Jackie to feel like comfortable, but also sexy, but also cute. God, I hope she likes it. You better like it, Jackie.
One eternity later.
All right, you guys, we got the goods.
I just want to get like a couple of first impressions, if you will. So I just kind of want to see what's going on in this bag. So right away, I'm seeing some color, which is making me happy. Like maybe she thought she was pushing me out of my comfort zone, but in reality, color makes me really happy when it comes to underwear.
Okay, these are cute. Let's see what else we got in here. Okay, all right, so nothing too crazy. Wow, she got me a lot. Man, $150 at Aerie goes a long way.
And then I'm seeing some like, blues, that makes me really happy. Some like blush pink, burgundy, which is actually my favorite color of underwear in the entire world. So that's good. All right, so I'm actually wearing a sports bra, and I'm gonna put this one over that sports bra because this one's kind of like a shirt, and I really want to see what it looks like for reals, for reals. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna wear this as a shirt, like for sure. This is so cute. I love this. I absolutely love this so much. It feels like kind of like workout material, but not that spandexy material. It's got a lot of stretch though, so let me get a jacket. This with this? Heck yeah, man.
Okay, first things first is this bralette, which I am obsessed with.
Absolutely obsessed.
I have to say too, I really love this detail underneath. You guys, it makes your boobs look amazing. My boobs aren't this big, but I feel like the little padding that they put in there really does give you that va-va-voom if that's what you're looking for. The back of the bra is really nice. Comfortable. Again, you have those adjustable straps, so if you want to make it tighter, you can. All in all, man, this is awesome.
Yeah, this is cute. Oh, I love that. This feels like sporty, but not like athletic sporty, you know? It's very much me, and I really dig this color. I like the thick band at the bottom. I feel like I might have gotten this for Jackie, if I remember correctly, or something really similar.
Okay, next up is a half bra, which I'm really grateful for because I haven't had a half bra since like high school, and anytime I'm wearing a cutoff shirt that requires a half bra, I'm like, dang it, I need to buy a half bra, I need to buy a half bra. The quality is great, love the color. Again, it's very soft to the touch, great material. I love that they give you the option of the strap if you want it, but I am not convinced that this is gonna be a successful half bra, but let's see. I don't know why I've been calling it a half bra when it's just a strapless bra, I'm sorry. Anyway, I have the strapless bra on now with this half cut shirt. And as you can see, it forms the boobs, but it doesn't give any, like, you want them to kind of look like that, right? A little bit, give you like a little bit of cleavage, a little bit of definition. But what it does do is show me that I have like a little bit of boobs. So this is what it looks like off. And that's with me having it off. I mean, my boobs are a little bit flattened, but it doesn't change very much up here. So for me, the strapless bra really doesn't do much. I just wish it gave me a little bit of more, you know what I'm saying?
And then there's this black bra that she got as well, which is so freaking soft. Oh yeah, this is good. Should I wear it like this? I feel like people wear things like this all the time. This is a really good bra. It's actually giving me a little bit of muffin boob, which shows me that it's gonna be really nice push-up. It is a push-up bra, but it's not like obnoxiously push-up, you know? It's like the right type of push-up for somebody with little boobies like me.
This is the next one. This bra Sinead got for me. Right off the bat, I love the color. I love that it's this really nice baby pink, but it's also very close to white. So you could wear this under a white shirt and it probably wouldn't show through. It's just your classic bra. I love that there's not anything too crazy about it, but there's this nice little detail underneath. You probably can't see it, but it's like a little flower around. So it adds a little something. It's not like this silk all the way around. Okay, so this is what the bra looks like underneath. It's definitely a push-up bra. As you can see, it gives me some cleavage. I was wrong about the pink. It definitely does show through, but it's not gonna show through as much as, you know, a red bra.
All right, this last sports bra is super cute too. The only thing I don't like is the fact that the padding is like really small. It's like a perfect square, and I doubt you can see it in the camera, but you can kind of see it in person, which is fine. I mean, obviously I like padding, especially like if you were wearing this one, it's like a lot thinner than the other ones. I just wish it wasn't so visible. Like I'd almost just rather take it out. Oh, it does come out. So there you go. You can take it out. I like that. Yeah, it's good for cleaning. Definitely good for cleaning, which is good because it's literally what I've been doing every day for 6 months.
Okay, next up is this bandeau. Every woman needs a bandeau in her wardrobe because they are so convenient and comfortable. This one is thick. The material is so thick, so your boobs aren't gonna go anywhere. This is something that I won't wear underneath my clothes. This is something that I'll wear with a jacket, that I'll wear with high-waisted jeans. I'll wear this all the time. Black bandeaus are essential.
I say this one for last because I freaking love tops like this. This is the type of bra you can easily wear as a shirt because it's a tube top. It's very much a thing already. But also I love cleaning in tube tops because you feel so free. All of their like material is so compression that I honestly feel like everything is just so incredibly flattering. Ah, this is cute, you guys. This is good. Yep, I feel so free.
I was actually really surprised that Sinead bought me a piece of lingerie. Compared to everything else she got me, it was very practical and day-to-day stuff. This is probably the sexiest thing she's gotten for me. And I actually really love it. Again, black is kind of my go-to when it comes to lingerie. It feels very safe for me. I love this one. I feel like this is something that I'd probably go to sleep in. The lace is actually see-through from here to the bottom. It's not exactly a thong. It's more of underwear type of shape in the back. And then the back it has this really cool detail, which I love. It's not just normal two straps, but it has this cute little cut off in the middle. And I think it just adds a little bit of sexiness.
All right, I don't know if you guys can see this thong because obviously I'm wearing black leggings, so this wasn't the best option, but I do love this thong. I actually, out of all the thong styles I have, this is the one I have the most of, which is this thick lace band. I used to be obsessed with these from Victoria's Secret. Honestly, I'm not wearing this on my bare skin, so I couldn't tell you, but I have a feeling this is gonna feel real nice on my butt.
I feel real nice on my butt.
Just saying.
All right, so I'm gonna try this first pair on. It feels like there's nothing on. I love that this doesn't indent you. So some underwear sometimes cuts into you, but because they have this very thin elastic band, it doesn't cut in, which I really love. Love these underwear, they're nice, they're neutral, they're comfortable, everything I look for in undergarments.
Okay, so let's get this thong on because this is the one that scares me. Again, it's super soft. I am a fan. Honestly, the band is super comfy. It doesn't feel like one of those ones that would make your bum sore. It's good to have underwear like this too because it is so minimal fabric. So you know you could get away with wearing it under something that's kind of sheer, or if you need to have underwear under something that's skin tight instead of going commando, which sometimes seems like the best option.
Okay, this one is a G-string, which I don't necessarily like. It's like floss for your butt. It's super uncomfortable. And also, why is this part so big? And what are you supposed to do with these like straps? I feel like it's so high, it needs to be a little bit lower. But yeah, literally butt floss.
Reggie and my booty feeling tight.
Like, I won't wear this. I mean, maybe I'll wear it. It's just so like
Butt floss.
This is my favorite color underwear. I love burgundy and I love like that deep plum. But this is a bikini style, which is not my favorite style, but it is a high-waisted bikini, which I do really like. Oh, this is cute. I think I prefer this style of bikini over the other ones. There's something a little bit more sexy about these. I think it's because it's high-waisted and it shows a lot of thigh, you know? I am a fan. I am a fan of these. Good stuff, you guys.
Okay, this next pair are the type of underwear that I personally love to wear not every single day, but when I do choose to wear undergarments, these are the pair that I totally wear. Super comfortable, not a G-string, but thong enough, not too thick, but not too thin.
Butt floss.
Love the little detail of the flowers around the straps and then the stripes right here. Super, super cute. They fit perfectly, good thong, love them.
Okay, so we have another thong that is, again, a lace band, just like the black one. So if you couldn't see the black one because black on black, then this is a better idea. Again, it's like thicker in the butt, you know? The lace band is super cute and really comfortable. It's really light. I don't work out enough to know like what the proper underwear is to work out in, but I feel like this could be a good workout underwear.
These are also another pair that I love. It feels like nothing, even more so from what I just showed. Look how paper thin this is. It's literally paper, but still very stretchy. This is the ultimate underwear, again, that feels like you're not wearing anything. The only issue with these though are they tend to roll a little bit. It's literally like I'm not wearing anything. Look how thin that is. So sometimes it does do this, right? It rolls up when you're wearing it, and that's the only qualm I have about these. If it just stays in place, it literally is nothing. It feels like nothing.
All right, this is where the real me shows. I have a gajillion thongs, yes, but I also have a gajillion pairs of granny panties.
I got my granny panties on.
We have to come up with a new name for granny panties because that just automatically has a negative connotation and I don't respect that. So the first one is actually bikini style, which is one I usually tend to stay away from, but I really do have a couple of bikini underwears that I really like, which is why I don't usually buy anymore because I prefer hipsters. All right, these kind of do look like granny panties, let's be real.
This song, again, reminds me of the bandeau that I tried on earlier. Your boobs aren't gonna go anywhere. It has that thicker material, and so you're really gonna feel like you have a lot of layers on. So this is something that you probably don't wanna wear in the winter when you just wanna feel like you have that extra layer on. It's not gonna be so thin. You're gonna have a lot more support. And that's kind of what the back looks like. It's your standard thong. It's super comfortable and I love the material, but for me, I feel like my vagina feels a little claustrophobic in this.
All right, and then I saved the best for last. This is actually my favorite type of underwear. I think it's because I view it as being functional the most, because aside from being underwear, I wear these like around the house, to bed. Like, I love boy shorts so much. And honestly, I love walking around in my underwear.
Oh, look what happened.
There's something about them that are super cute. Yeah, this is good. Also, these are really cute because they have like these lines right here. It's like wearing booty shorts, honestly. These are great. These are so soft, so comfortable. I love the thick band.
Okay, last but not least, it's that thin material again, but these are the booty shorts. So I'm kind of interested to see what they're gonna look like, because booty shorts, I think more of like cotton, not this material. So we'll see, let's see. Okay, I love that it's this nice like V action going on. I don't like this. I feel like booty shorts, is it supposed to be? I'm not a fan. I don't like these. I don't like these. They're just a weird shape. Feel comfortable, they're thin, but I don't feel like it's gonna it may look different when you have nothing on. I don't know.
All right, I'm gonna send Jackie a picture of me in my favorite item, which is this tube top bra, strapless. And I am going to show her what it looks like as just a bra, but also show her that she also just got me one of my new favorite shirts.
Okay, so this has to be my favorite thing that Sinead picked out for me. I love the color, I love the fit, love how comfortable it is, yet sexy, and it makes my boobs look really good. So I am obsessed with it. I'm gonna send a picture to Sinead and let her know.
You guys, now that we're nice and comfy, there's so much more Clevver Style to watch, so do that. And also let us know, where should we buy underwear from next? You probably didn't expect to hear that question too often, did you? But we seem to ask it a lot on this channel. You're welcome.